Welcome back to JustAJeepn. Today we're going to do yet another install, but this one's going to be on the smaller side. We're going to go from this to this. This install is going to be the Diode Dynamics LED clear side markers. The Jeep came with the LED package that has the clear turn signals in the fender. I think adding this clear side marker is going to make that wraparound look pretty good. Though this upgrade and install is not going to get you home from the trail, it might make us look good getting there. Let's get started. My first set of markers had an issue with the epoxy dripping over. I contacted Diode Dynamics and no questions asked, they sent me out a brand new one. Let's get started with the install. First step is to remove two tree clips holding the inner fender liner, here and here. With the tree clips removed, you now have access inside the fender liner. Pull it back and disconnect the factory side marker wiring harness. Next, grab a T30 Torx bit and remove the bolt holding the factory side marker in place. To remove the side marker, carefully pull towards the front. It'll slide right out. Now that it's out, time to reverse the steps by putting in the new one. These tabs right here are what are going to be used to line it back into the fender, so be mindful of that. This here is where those tabs will slide into the fender. When screwing the new side marker in, I found it easier to put the bolt through the hole. That way you can easily see to line the bolt up to the new side marker and then screw it in.
What are you whispering?
Once you get done with one side, just repeat the steps on the other and you'll be all set. As you can see, this is a pretty easy install, pretty straightforward, and I think it enhances the overall look of the front of the Jeep. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, check out some other videos that are on the channel, and hope to see you back.